Good morning, dear students. So, again, welcome back after the long holidays of the Diwali. Hope you have enjoyed the Diwali holidays. Before Diwali holidays, we have started our sixth chapter in the computer, that is graphics in basics 256. So, in that chapter, I have explained about the graphic output area and about the pixels and so many other things, and how to make the fancy graphics, and how to what are the pixels and how many pixels and horizontally and vertically are there in the your computer screens. All these things I have explained in the previous class, and I have explained this text command also in that class. So again I am letting you revise that same command in the in this session also. Then after this we will start our new session. So the text command, the syntax of text command is text space x means x-axis coordinates, y means y-axis coordinates, and expression means what you want to print on that particular coordinates. So you have to write that. You can see the example: text 100 comma 200 and in inverted comma the word you want to write there, that is skips. So when you give this command in your computer and when you make the program of displaying this particular expression, you have to write like this: CLS font. You have to name the font, which font you want to use there. So many fonts are there in your computer. Here you have to give the name of that font, particular font you want to print there, in which type of font there. Then the text command we are using here 75 comma 75, and in inverted comma the word we want to display, that we have to write there. Then we have to end the program by writing the end command. So after making this command on your screen, you have to press this run. You can see here, after the save button, run button is there. You have to click there. When you click on this run button, you will get your output like this. You can give the color also to your this fonts what you want to print, that we will learn in this after this. So it is the particular first program that we have made in this basic. So now we will see how to give the color to the particular word we want to print in on the computer screen. So this color statement is used to set the color of the drawing text in basic 256. So there are two different ways to give the color to your fonts. So first way is by the name of the color, and the second way that every color is having a particular number. So you can give that number, assign that number in your program, so that color will be displayed on your font. By name, how can you define the color there? So the syntax of color command is color space color name. You have to write. You can see the example how to write: color space, the color is red. Like this you have to write in your program, so you will get red color on your font. So now you can see the program how to give color to that particular word you want to write. For example, first of all you have to write the CLG. CLG command is used to clear the screen in the MS-DOS or basic 256. Then you have to give the color name. So first we are learning how to color our word by giving the color name. So color is red. Font we are using here Verdana, and the font size is also written here 10, and the particular pixel is also written here 10 comma 75, and the text, the programming is interesting. You can write any text here in inverted commas what you want to display on your screen. Then you have to end that program and click on the run. When you click on the run, your output will be displayed like this. Programming is interesting and the color is red, and the pixels what you have defined in your programming, there it will be displayed. Now the second method is how to give the color by the code or by the number. So every color is having a different numbering, so it will be between 0 to 255. All the colors are made up of these three basic colors, that is red, blue and green. So all the colors are made up of these primary colors. So the color ranges are between 0 to 255. So the black is represented by 000, that means no color at all. So for example, color 000 for black color, you can see the example here, and the different color codes are given here. I will give the snapshot of that to you so that you can easily change the color of your fonts. So let us see. I will give the snapshot also. So here the black color is 000, white is 255, 255, 255, red is 25500, darkened is 12800, green, you see the different codes of color are given here. Purple 2550, 255, dark purple 128 128, yellow 255 to 250. Like this, every color is having different code, and by applying these codes you can see set the color of your fonts. Let us see the program of the color code. So before this we have seen the program by the color name. Now how to change the color by code. So the procedure of writing the program is the same. CLG for the clearing the screen, then color 255, then font you have to assign which font you want to use here, the size of font, then text, and then you have to write the x-axis, y-axis coordinates, then a particular word or the sentence you want to print on your screen, that is save or save live, and after that you have to end the program, and then you have to click on the run button. Then you will get the output like this. The next command we will learn in this session is the plot command. Plot command sets a single pixel at any specific location in the graphic output area, that means on your screen. So the syntax of plot command is plot space x-axis coordinates and y-axis coordinate. So you can set your pixel by this plot command. And how can we use this plot command in your program? So the program is CLG, then you have to write the color, then plot space in brackets you have to write the coordinates of x-axis and y-axis, then color green, then again you have to give the plot. So particular a dot of different color you will see on your screen on this particular location what you are assigning on your computer on the x-axis and y-axis. So the output will be displayed like this. So the x-axis and y-axis here defined for the red color, there you will get the dot of red color. The particular coordinates of x-axis and y-axis here defined for the green color, you will get the green color dot there, and for blue color what you have assigned the coordinates, you will get the dot of blue color on that particular screen. So students, you have to practice all these 3-4 programs what I have shown you on this particular class. So try this. All the best.